So the Supreme Court kind of fucked us over the weekend. What happened was they are now preventing courts from stopping obviously illegal activity from a president for up to like 30, 60 days until the court decides whether it's legal or not. They're stopping what's called nationwide injunctions. Say, for example, you really don't like people who wear red shirts and wear red hats and describe themselves as particular magical forest creatures. Let's say that there was an executive order which banned gnomes throughout the entire nation. Now, let's say you have a gnome named Bob. Bob goes and sues and says, you can't do this. This is discrimination against gnome kind. And that provides a nationwide injunction. So all gnomes cannot be forcibly dismissed from the country. The Supreme Court decision, however, has said, no, actually, that decision only applies to Bob, and all other gnomes can still be thrown out of the country until we decide whether this is legal or not. Which is obviously fucking stupid. Because it's basically this idea that we know that Bob has successfully sued and said that Bob knows he cannot be removed from the country legally, but we're going to ignore that for all other gnomes. And this is an absolutely absurd decision that essentially allows a president to get away with whatever they want until the Supreme Court decides, well, I guess that's not really legal anyway. And the president goes, oh, darn, well, I was able to get my way for 30 fucking days, so the damage is already done. This is a disastrous decision.